How to access device management on Crunchyroll. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to easily access the device management on your Crunchyroll. First thing first, open up any web browser you have. Now on the search bar, simply search for Crunchyroll and then hit enter. Now once you've done that, click on the first link that you see, crunchyroll.com. Now, in order to find your device management and manage your devices, you first have to simply head over to your profile icon. You just need to make sure that you're logged in first. Click on this drop down. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, from here, you're going to have to click on your settings. Once you do that, your settings will open up right here. And right below preferences, you have email notification, and right below that, you have device management. Just click on it and it will show you all of the available devices that your account is logged into. Now you can log out of it if you want. You click on deactivate, or you could log out of all of the devices at once. And that's how you access your device management on Crunchyroll. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.